So hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to create HD quality ultra realistic images of ourselves or maybe someone else with the the Google image creator, which is popularly known as Nanobanana. And also, I want you to stick to the end because I'll be giving you a free gift, which is my compilation of the 64 precise prompts to get these kinds of results that you're going to be seeing in this video. Without further ado, let's dive into it. This is the Gemini landing page. In case you don't know how to create a Gemini account, so you just go open a new tab on your screen and then you type Gemini. So immediately you search for Gemini, so Gemini. So and you just type gemini.google.com/sign up. So immediately you type this, you are going to see this page, and then you click on your sign in button. So once you click on the sign in button, it is going to tell you to sign in with your Gmail, which you should have. And once you sign in with your Gmail, you then get back to this particular place. So now what we want to do is I'm going to show you how to create stunning images, ultra realistic HD quality image for yourself or for anybody. So you can do this for people and then get paid for it. Real life, get paid for it. I'll be using my 64 prompts package that I have crafted and designed. I've tested over time, and it has been giving me high quality studio realistic images of different people that I've worked with it with. So at the end of the video, I'll be sharing a link to I'll be sharing this particular 64 prompts, this particular digital product, which is the 64 prompts for Nanobanana with you, and then you can use it to make images for people, to create images for people and get paid from it. So quickly, I'll just go to my prompts, and then I would just quickly let's just take the second one. Let's see the result. Let's take the second one. So before we move to the second one, the way I structured the prompts is that at the front of every prompt, so this is an editorial classic and it is a mountainside view, so there is a little description so that you can know the exact, so that you can have an idea of the kind of image or the kind of background that is going to come alongside with the image. So if we check through another one, we are going to see this is editorial classic, a library study room. So let's just go with number 3 and then let's see the outcome. So we have a library study room. So let's see this. So let's copy, and then we go back to our Google Gemini. We click on tool, and then we choose create images. Now after clicking on create images, we are going to click on the plus icon, and then we have two options, either to upload files or to add from our Google Drive. So if the image is on your Google Drive, you can simply click on add from Google Drive, and then immediately you click on add from Google Drive, it is going to tell you to connect Google Workspace. So immediately you click on connect, you get access to your Google Drive, and then you can you can use any of the images that you have on your Google Drive. So now we'll be using the second option, this first option, which is the upload files. So I'm going to click on upload files now, and then I'll be going to my file, and then I'll be choosing this particular image of this person that I'll be creating the picture for. So I'll click on open, and then we'll wait for it a bit to load. And the next thing I'm just going to do is I'm going to paste the prompts that we just copied. So I'm just going to click on Ctrl V, and then it's going to paste the prompts that we just copied. So the next thing that we'll just do is we just click on the submit icon. So once we click on the submit icon, it is going to tell us to wait for just a second. Actually, the seconds is like just a few seconds, and then we can begin to see that it has starts generating image. So it is telling us here that ask Gemini to refine image. So we can also refine the images after creating an image that does not really correspond with what exactly we want. But with this prompt I'm giving you, I can assure you that you don't need to adjust anything. So let's see our outcome. Can we see the outcome? It looks very, very perfect. Very perfect. Remember, the prompt we copied is look at it. The prompt we copied, remember what I said, is a library study room. So we can see now that this looks exactly like a library study room, and this prompt will give you this exact replication of any image of a person that you insert in it. I've been working on the prompt for months, and now I have gotten 64 power packed prompt 64 power pack prompt to give you high realistic images.